So I guess I'm going to start my bike check from top to bottom and then from front to back. So I got the Colt D Hart grips, some Barnes that I got from my friend. I got the Sabrosa Pandora bars. I got the S&M Old Redneck stem. And then I got the Hoffman Mantera frame. And I just got some old set of Haro forks that came off my first bike, which are okay. And for my front rim, I got a Hoffman hub laced to, I want to say it's a stolen rim. I'm not exactly sure. My friend gave this to me, and we traded. And then I'm missing a couple spokes and stuff. Oh well. For my pegs, I got the Shadow Conspiracy pegs. I don't have sleeves on them because I was dumb and didn't buy sleeves, so I'll just go buy some next time I go and buy new pegs. I got a proper rear rim and rear hub. That's actually really nice. I love it. I got a left side drive with fit cranks and duo pedals. I got a Shadow sprocket and chain. I don't know what sprocket that is. I bought it from a local shop that we have around here. I love it too. I just got it. Seems pretty nice. It's really smooth. I got Animal TTW tires and a Shadow one-piece seat. I actually like the seat. Everyone wonders why I don't get the pivotal, but I don't really see the point in the pivotal other than it moves around and I'm never really sitting down. I'm running the chrome bars, double chrome rims with just a maroon-ish purple frame, red and black, pretty much in little places like sprockets black, all that stuff. For the most part, I like the way that my bike's set up. Yeah, so and I got my friend's bike, which is completely stock, fit, Aiken. Yeah, pretty gay. Alright, well, that's my bike check.